Hey guys, so L&T has won a great contract by the government, which is India's biggest ever EPC contract. EPC contract basically means engineering and construction contract, which is around 25,000 crores of contract which L&T has received. They have to construct around 237 kilometers length of railway stretches where between bullet trains would be running on, and these bullet trains would be running between Mumbai to Ahmedabad, which L&T would be working on, which would be reducing the time taken to travel up till only 2 hours to 3 hours, which is a great news. And this entire project should be completed within 4 years of time. So whether you should be buying this stock at the current levels or not, let's get right away with the fundamental and technical analysis to know all about it. First of all, the fundamental analysis, their net worth plus their total assets over here, if you just combine these both, is a way lot more than their total liabilities over here, right? So the debt to equity ratio, which seems to be worrying, is not actually, because construction companies definitely take debt and then only they work it that way, right? So that is a sector in which you don't have to worry about. And L&T's order book as well is very good, if you can just see their order book, which is a positive news again. So right now, whether you should be buying or not is the real question. If you see that this trend line has been there since 2005, right, and it has never broken, not even in the corona time period. And whenever the stochastic RSI is in the oversold zone, combining with the price line near the trend line, you can see that the price have always risen, right? In year as well, it has risen, same over here, and it has risen. And also again, it could happen the same way, as it is a great company over here now. But make sure that you invest it for around 1 to 2 years over here. As you can see that this around 2009 there was a dip, it was back up again 2010, and similarly with 2012 and 2019, similarly with 2016 and 2017, or 2018, right? So this is for a long term investment time for 1 to 2 years, which could make your investment twice or 2 times, as it is right now at 929, and all time high was at around 1600, and it can even achieve more higher. That is why I have personally taken my trades over here as well, and I'm holding it for 1 to 2 years, and you're smart enough to know what you have to do. And just in case if you need a demat account, a trading account, there's a link right in the description for Edelweiss trading platform, which is a very good platform. Do make sure you have an account over there as well, right? That is all for the video, guys. I hope you understood. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon notification for regular market updates, and also check out my playlist and other videos which is there on stock markets fundamental, technical analysis, and indicators. Until next time, happy investing, guys, and bye bye.